My daddy issue speaking.
Sam.
The camera is right behind
The mic picked that up, bro. The mic picked that up.
Cover your eyes.
Wait, children.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Animangaki 2023. And today, you know what we'll be doing? We'll be doing a tier list for weeaboos to enjoy ranking the characters that we've given out. But yeah, first I want to give a shout out to Falco, Grumpy Butter, Stay Witty, Haj Arsenal, and Tonel. Thank you so much, guys, for the membership. And yeah, we'll be providing you with good contents.
It's a love-hate relationship. Love-hate relationship. So, I put him in B.
He's pretty cool, honestly. Look at his hair, bro. Like, you see a katana guy with this hair, I say he's at least A. It's not a perfect, but he's cool as hell.
Shit, I don't.
Oh, yo, you better rank this waifu damn high, you know.
Sorry, I don't like her.
Who's about to make a controversial move?
But she's pretty, so I'll put her on.
Wait. Okay.
B lah for pretty.
Yo, she does not deserve B. She's an S for me, bro.
For you, not for me.
Bro, look at it. It's like teetering between B and C right now.
It's sengek. It's very sengek.
It's like on the
Let's
stage.
put it at C. We know.
Where do you plan on putting her, actually?
Oh shit! See.
Bro, it went even lower.
Oh,
Aki Hero.
Hiro Akihito Hakino.
Okay. Where do you think he's gonna go?
Bro has two cute dogs. Okay, I cannot resist. I cannot resist, bro.
Oh, okay.
Bro got the con.
I say it's solid. Yo! Bro. What are your thoughts?
I am sorry. Also see your trash. I don't know who she is.
Okay. 0-2.
Okay, I am ranking based on character design because I haven't watched this.
Bro, don't watch it. Don't watch it. It's not worth it. Trust. It's a dumpster fire.
Mid tier then, because I seriously don't know.
Hey, yo, y'all agree? Could have been a bit lower. Okay.
What do you think about this?
Ayo.
Okay. Oh my god.
Now you see,
Who is he?
this is definitely not Sasuke from the hit series Naruto.
Mid-series Naruto. Alright.
You know, I'm just gonna be nice. I would have done this, but I'm just gonna do this.
Hey, what? Bro. You can put him in the trash, bro, if you want.
No, the only good thing is that he looks cool.
It's the legend.
Oh man, this is a hard choice because they're all kind of problematic.
Oh, okay. Oh. Yo, she does not deserve the B tier, bro.
Sorry, I honestly don't like any of the female women in Evangelion. Who is this?
Oh.
Wait, is it right now?
Okay. Opinions about Makima?
What?
You got any opinions about Makima?
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Okay, I put
Okay.
Okay, put.
Whoa, yo.
It looks like I have to bring back my Makima.
Yeah, my girlfriend. I know my girlfriend Akima. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know someone put Makima in trash before just now?
Oh, Sebastian.
Sebastian. Oh, okay.
No hesitate.
Okay.
Oh,
STO.
oh, you like Sebastian, huh?
Yeah, because he's hot. He's like my. I think Sebastian is one of my first anime crush, husband crush.
Oh, first movement of the day.
It's gonna be S tier, man.
Okay. Why S tier?
Oh course, 02, first time ever waifu that made me cry.
Okay, who? Back in the trash, y'all. Why?
Because I hate her.
You know, we'll do B tier.
B is you're in the middle
You know,
position.
you wanna know why? What's his voice actor's name again? Yuki Kaji?
Yukikashi.
Yeah, amazing voice actor. Yeah, that's the only reason.
Yo.
No.
Come on, bro. Do the justice, bro.
The thing is, the recent one that it came out, right, about her story.
Screw the spin-off.
It's not that good.
Screw the spin-off.
So,
Hey, it's pretty good, I reckon.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
for comedy, yes, but other than that is,
Instant S tier.
you know,
Instant
mid.
Interesting.
But his
Best voice
arc, the story arc, is not captivating enough.
Don't
you
care.
know?
S tier.
A tier. I'll give an A. I can't give any much higher.
Fine.
This is for people who likes her. You know, I'm just. If I would go B. I would go B. I wouldn't go A. But A is for like, you know.
Point the gun at him, bro. 3 death threat, bro.
Fine. A. Sheesh.
Okay,
Come on.
It's reasonable, yeah.
Reasonable.
We Megumin enjoys it.
Make me enjoy it.
Yeah.
I would remove him, but I always remove her also. But okay, you want to put her in S? I think she's okay.
She deserves S more than that one lah. I mean like for sure.
Let's go.
Like she deserves S a little bit more than her. That
Yo, her rival is right down here.
To be honest, I'll put them on the same level, maybe A or B.
Since you did justice, you remove 02, bro.
Right. Let me see. Okay, please be something I know. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
No hesitation.
Rail Garden Girl is on
No
S.
hesitation. Thank you so much.
Oh yes! Oh waifu! Let's go!
This is instant S class, bro. This is instant S class, bro.
Chuck him in there. Let's go! Let's go!
This is culture right here. This is real culture.
Bro, a Stoffel fan, let's go. Go, man. We will go with Josh first.
Okay, I will put Sebastian on trash.
Okay, remove, bro. Do the honors, bro. Yeah. Goodbye.
I gotta put this.
Hey, bro. Bro. Okay. So,
No, I don't want to replace. I don't know any. Why is Shato here?
Where's Astofa?
Bro, Stoffel is S tier, bro. What do you mean?
Man.
Why?
Okay. Bro, sometimes it takes a man to be the best girl. Redraw, don't worry. Bro, I'm holding so much shit. Okay, hold. Okay.
Hola, kita self-service.
Oh my god.
Yor. Hey, come.
Come here. Yo mama.
Yeah. This is basically our mothers of all time lah. Okay. So this one. This is mama. If mama this one I'm sorry, I'm not a huge fan of Bleach.
Yo, no!
But I'm gonna put it either C or either B. But I like it as a man. He's cute, so I'm gonna put it B.
Okay.
Mama, too bad too full So I'm just gonna still put him at A first.
Okay.
But at me, it's ultra rare. It's SSR. Okay, she's the best of all time. Okay, greatest of all time.
My god, she pulled a Levi, bro.
No, you know where this should go?
Yeah, actually we should take it home lah. Actually, we should take home our Sim.
Aaron, Freak Aaron.
Okay.
Wait, I don't
Okay.
want to switch out other people's one. I feel bad.
Can. Space 02, bro. Space 02.
02 go back to trash.
Alright. Let's go. Okay.
This is gonna be. Alright, let's put them here. SS plus.
SS1.
SS plus.
You know SS.
Wait. Who's this?
We ran out of
Ram. Who's this? My wife.
Oh, yo. Who's Ram?
No. Hi. This one lah.
Hey, at least it's not trash lah. Look on the bright side lah.
It's not any better.
But you put my wife all the way.
02.
Why? Because I have Ram over here. See my cost card.
Free advertising lah, free advertising lah.
Guys,
Free advertising. We're going to make.
You know my Astolfo, bro. Oh my god, Astolfo is trash. I am about to start a protest right now, bro.
Sorry, Asuka.
You, not the Asuka, bro.
Yeah, I'm sorry. She gotta go.
She has to go.
Come here to see. Let's go, my man. He deserves more love. Kaguya.
Yo, no, bro. I legit thought you were gonna put Kaguya somewhere up here, bro.
She has so many insecurities that it makes me mad sometimes.
Alright, so.
Ew. Okay, fine.
Oh. Okay, Sakura's in trash.
Trash. Okay, he kind of I agree.
No,
with
not
the-
my waifu, bro.
But I agree. He's a classic.
Okay, Ram is removed. Ram just got on the list and then got removed again.
You know she has the cancel best friend
Oh.
short haircut, right?
Ooh, yo, this is justice. Let's go.
Take this.
Oh my. S tier?
It's good though.
Can I do that?
Yeah, can.
That's what.
Zoro is being removed, bro.
Best pick.
Oh, the back. Uy.
No, cannot.
Oh, different character. Oh, buang ah, buang.
Cannot.
Oh, okay. Oh, let's go.
The real one, boss.
Bro. My red Ayanami got removed, yeah. Ah, okay, masuk.
This one. What is this?
Yo, what is this, bro? Bro, this is not gentleman's agreement, bro. What the hell? Ah, okay, pilih. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this one has to S rank.
Yes, dear.
It's not gay.
I'm sorry, Sasuke, I love you. You're my first childhood crush, but I think Suki should be S tier.
Ooh, okay.
His character development is like, oh sorry,
Oh, it's
I don't know who to like exchange, but like you do Sakura so dirty, bro. She deserves more.
Nah, I think
Single mom.
she's good down there. I reckon she's good though. Who are you going to switch positions?
I disagree with this.
I think Sakura is good down here. She, you know how useless she is in Team 7.
Ah, this is a woman
No.
hater. No.
Okay. God. Ooh, Levi's back on top. Okay. Suki. Oh, Suki's back in here.
I hate him. I can't stand him. Oh my god. Sorry. I like him.
What about you?
I'm gonna swap something.
Okay.
I fucking love him so much, so like, I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry. Sorry, I love him.
Mana Rem? Wait, mana?
Your Rem is gone.
Let's go. Screw you. Remove my ram. No.
Trying to take it off. Alright.
Yeah.
He deserves D tier at least.
At least. Bro, I think he's like A, bro.
Can I do it then?
Yeah, you can replace one.
There's one character that definitely does. Alright, then at least A tier. High A. He deserves worse.
Okay, he's back in his place. Okay.
No, this one cannot be here.
You're removing Levi. Bye, Levi.
Sasuke, man. Win again.
Okay. Alright, nice.
Okay.
What about you, bro?
Disrespect my guy.
Bro, this.
Okay.
Yo, not my Astolfo, bro.
Don't disrespect my guy. Yeah.
Bro, there's too many guys. That's the problem.
Okay. We need to represent women.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Listen, like, where's the equality, bro? All right. So
Men domination.
men. Okay. Yeah, I see. Hey, respect women. Okay. So, listen. Sasuke. Nah. He's not S, bro. He's not S, bro.
Oh. No.
Okay. All right. Listen.
Where is Sasuke
Very
going?
controversial opinion. It's a big change, right? But listen, bro.
Okay.
We move with Makima.
Oh my God, we moving Makima.
Listen,
bro.
okay. A lot of people are gonna find it like very controversial, but let me explain. All right, hear me out.
Okay.
Makima's going to S, Sasuke, C. Okay, listen. She'll feed you you can be her dog, bro.
Bro, I knew he was gonna pick the dog somewhere, bro.
I wanna be Makima's dog, bro. Everything.
Bro,
in
we
my
got
life-
down bad, bro. That's down bad.
No,
bro.
listen. If you become a dog, bro, you have an easy life, right?
I mean,
Yeah. So think about it.
put Makima back in the trash, bro.
No, I agree with him.
Okay, you
I agree with him. For me, since I'm a
Okay, your mama.
your mama here, here's the thing.
Oh, okay.
We can put in S tier
Okay.
because why? She's a mom of all moms, and he will do anything to protect her child.
Protect your child. If you don't protect your child, you go to trash, bro.
Yes, you go to trash.
Daza should be in the sea. Why? Oops. Can I remove it?
Can
Alright, so the character it might be like this because Daza somehow he didn't protect himself when he was in this Bombos dog set. So that's why I can give him C like that.
Tres. Tres. Okay. Okay, peel off. Okay. Sakura's getting removed. All right. Let's go. Whoa! Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Fuck One Piece. Okay. Yo, fuck One Piece, eh? Fuck One Piece.
I want to put
Oh, you know Gasai. Okay. Alright, you know up there.
because I like Psycho Girl.
Overrated though.
Oh, overrated. Okay.
Overrated.
Who you pulling a new character?
Ayo.
Alright.
Ayo.
Yo!
Ayo.
Okay.
Top tire. Top tire waifu.
Cannot lah. Megumi nak top tier.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Rukia. I've never watched Bleach, but I know her from certain sources.
Certain song. Whoa!
Let's not.
The nuclear codes, is it?
Yes, actually, yeah.
Fellow cultured men. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. We are removing Makima for Sakura.
Yeah.
Okay, you reckon Makima can go anywhere on the list?
Get a pull already.
Oh.
That's a.
Okay.
Who plays already?
Wait, I got an idea, bro.
Oh.
Put one here and one there. Yeah, there we go.
Yo, what is this, bro? I know, right?
Yeah, bro. No, bro. Okay, this wasn't me, bro.
This
It was someone.
Give me the name and address, bro. Who did this?
Bro, take it off, bro. Don't worry, bro. Not my waifu, bro. My waifu is getting removed. Holy shit.
Yazai is daddy material, bro. Come on. His wisdom.
Why? She's so cute. Why do this?
No.
Remove this guy.
Bro.
What the fuck? That guy's quite cool, bro.
Bro, Hitsugaya is cool, man.
I remove him and draw a new character.
Okay, alright. Take him off, bro. Take him off.
Draw one first. Oh shit! Okay.
Gojo is back on the list.
Hey. Rightfully so.
Rightfully so, bro.
Okay. The better white hair husbando.
Alright, so your turn.
Sorry, bro, but Makima, nah.
Yeah, Makima is way too.
I have no idea why. But Kaguya is a better waifu. I'm sorry.
Yes, let's go!
You can't make this up, bro. There we go. Perfect.
Actually, I don't know this character. Is it Princess Connect?
No, that's
Riaz, bro, it's Riaz, bro. High School DxD.
Off limits, bro. Don't touch her.
What character?
High School DxD.
High school DxD.
God tier, God
This
tier.
God tier is dead.
This one has to stay.
I don't know who
This
this
girl
goes nowhere except here. Okay, this one stays here.
No way you lying. You lying, bro. This no way you don't know her, man.
Okay.
Latest season, Bankai, bro. Yeah, I know the Bankai is good, but too bad. I won't prefer this one.
Let's go!
Between these two, I won't prefer this one.
No man, what the hell?
Let's go.
This one I go for A.
Oh, okay.
This one I go for
Remove
A.
one.
replace positions like
Okay.
Wait, actually, let me help.
Yeah. No.
You don't want him?
Actually,
It's kind of too.
yeah, whatever.
For you.
I can't understand 02 is a rubbish, so I will take it off.
Exactly. Okay. So
I will change.
At least B tier, bro. At least B.
Oh, she got removed. She got removed. 02 left the server, bro. Oh! Yo, why is Rem trash, bro? Rem is trash, what? Yo, this is the trash list, bro.
You made a mistake, bro.
the next guy gonna fix this for sure, man.
Someone needs to fix this.
Rem's getting taken down, okay. Bro, okay, wait. Let me help you, bro. Okay, you know what we do? We shift here. Okay, and then we put there. Yeah. Bro, you swapping Rukia for Levi, bro? What the hell, bro?
I know this is gonna
This is a crime, bro. What the hell?
Wait, what the hell?
Okay, who you gonna remove, bro?
What the hell, bro?
Yeah! Where's Zoro going?
Okay, bye-bye.
What the fuck, you know, guys?
Bye-bye, you know.
Sorry. Astaghfir, bro. Bro, come on. Yo, what the fuck? Okay, bro. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, pegang dulu. Okay.
Valid.
Wait, we'll put him like.
My opinion is valid.
Okay, alright.
You can't say otherwise. He's overrated now. He was good, but it got too saturated.
Bro, you purposely picked that one. Nah, fuck.
Bro, how dare you put him in there?
Also valid.
What? Bro, it's over here. Can't be replaced. Done.
Guys, I think it's bias. I think it's bias.
Why it's like fake? Oh,
Okay.
I cannot.
Oh my god, immediate. Next to Zoro, bro.
Also valid.
I like her.
I love the opinions that we are getting. It's very valid.
This.
No, Maria's.
I need to take this. Anyone who knows this anime definitely know why I remove this.
Where is she going though?
Where is she going?
Oi.
Ah,
Tadi.
Same place.
Same
Same
place.
place.
Yeah, same place.
Same place.
Valid.
do you guys see this?
Oh.
Ya, tak ada trash kan?
Ah.
Okay, dekat B ya.
Okay, alright.
Tak ada D ke?
So this one should be. Oh, this cannot.
Bro, cannot be. Wait. Oh wait, okay, you're removing case. Okay, so Kishima gets removed. Okay.
Put here. And then this.
Of course. This one, I'm sorry, but this belongs here. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. No offense.
This one belong here.
Oh, first place. Okay.
Nothing more. No argument. Okay. Alright.
Oh, I'm sorry, but this one. How? Here.
Oh my god, no, nah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go nuts, you can go nuts.
I just want to move this here. Oh my god.
Go.
I'm so sorry. And I want to move this one here.
Whoa!
Oh no.
Fuck Lloyd.
Fuck you, Lloyd. Oh no. Please censor it. Okay, may I end?
Yes. For sure, bro. Okay, Roxy. Okay. Who are you removing?
Makima.
Makima. Yeah. Yes. Wait, Makima kena remove. Makima got removed. Oh.
Yes! Yes!
For me.
Oh, okay, valid. Okay, alright.
I removed the pink hair and then I replaced the real pink hair.
Bro, oh my god. Bro, 0-2, bro. Okay, yeah. Slide in. Yeah.
I hope everyone will agree with me.
I just pulled him. Sorry.
Okay, remove him.
I gotta put him. Much better. Like.
What the hell, bro? What the hell is this?
Why? He has two face.
What the hell is this?
Two face.
Atia, okay, we'll put her here. Okay, let me like remove this a bit. Okay, yeah. There we go. Like, bro. Bro, nowhere to. Okay, well, you know what? We'll just slide her in.
Nowhere to put.
Right.
Fucking remove it. Yes!
Let's go!
You have to determine where is Makima in the tier list.
Okay, Makima in the tier list. Forever on top lah, bro. You cannot put it in the. Yeah, this one is bullshit. Makima on top, okay?
Alright guys, that's a wrap for our Animangaki video. Big shout out to Animangaki for letting us have the chance to actually do contents here, and yep, for the media pass also. Alright, and shout out to Dodo Bear for actually making this tier list and making it possible for us to, you know, let the people decide. What do you guys think about the list? Do you guys agree with the community or not? Let us know down in the comments. And yep, don't forget to subscribe, like, share it to your loved ones, all that. And yep, hope to see you soon. Till next time. Bye bye.